In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders has become increasingly common. Wise, formerly TransferWise, has emerged as a popular platform facilitating international money transfers and offering multi-currency accounts. However, a crucial question arises for individuals and businesses alike. Can Wise be considered a valid bank account in the traditional sense? This video dissects the functionalities and limitations of Wise, applying a project management perspective to evaluate its viability as a primary financial management tool. Defining the scope. What constitutes a valid bank account? Before assessing Wise, it's essential to establish a clear definition of what typically constitutes a valid bank account. From a project management standpoint, a robust financial management system requires certain core functionalities: deposit and withdrawal capabilities, the ability to securely receive and send funds through various methods, account identification, a unique identifier, account number, sort code, etc., for receiving payments, transaction history and reporting, clear records of financial activity for tracking and reconciliation, security and regulatory compliance, adherence to financial regulations and robust security measures to protect funds, integration with financial systems, compatibility with other financial tools and processes. Traditional banks typically provide these functionalities, often coupled with additional services like lending, overdraft facilities, and physical branch access. Wise, a multi-currency account under the microscope. Wise offers what it terms a multi-currency account, designed primarily for international transactions. Let's analyze its features through the lens of our defined valid bank account criteria. Deposit and withdrawal capabilities. Deposits. Wise allows users to receive money in multiple currencies via local bank transfers. It provides local bank details, e.g., sort code and account number for GBP, routing number and account number for USD, IBAN for Euro, for these incoming transfers. This functionality aligns with the deposit capability of a traditional bank account. Withdrawals. Users can send money from their Wise account to external bank accounts globally. They can also spend directly using the Wise debit card in various currencies. This covers the withdrawal aspect. Account identification. Wise provides local bank details for several major currencies, enabling users to receive payments as if they had a local bank account in those regions. This is a significant feature that facilitates international transactions and acts as a form of account identification. Transaction history and reporting. The Wise platform offers a detailed transaction history, allowing users to track their inflows and outflows. Users can also download statements for record-keeping and reconciliation, fulfilling the reporting requirement. Security and regulatory compliance. Wise is regulated by financial authorities in the countries where it operates. It employs security measures like two-factor authentication and encryption to protect user funds and data. This demonstrates a commitment to security and regulatory compliance, although the specific regulatory framework differs from that of a traditional bank. Integration with financial systems. Wise can often be integrated with accounting software and other financial tools, facilitating smoother financial management for businesses and individuals dealing with international transactions. Where Wise differs. Key distinctions from traditional banks. While Wise offers many functionalities similar to a bank account, crucial distinctions exist. Lending and overdraft facilities. Wise does not typically offer lending products like personal loans, mortgages, or overdraft facilities, which are common offerings from traditional banks. This limits its utility as a primary source of credit. Interest on balances. In most regions, Wise does not pay interest on the balances held in its multi-currency accounts. Traditional savings accounts, on the other hand, often offer interest accrual. Physical branch network. Wise operates entirely online and does not have a network of physical branches. This can be a drawback for individuals or businesses that prefer in-person banking services. Regulatory classification. Wise is generally classified as an electronic money institution, EMI, or a money transmitter, rather than a fully licensed bank in many jurisdictions. This distinction can have implications for deposit protection schemes and the scope of regulated activities. While Wise safeguards customer funds, the protection mechanisms might differ from traditional deposit insurance schemes. Focus on transactions. Wise's core strength lies in facilitating efficient and cost-effective international money transfers and multi-currency management. While it offers account-like features, its primary focus remains transactional rather than encompassing the full spectrum of banking services. Project management perspective. Evaluating Wise for different needs. Applying a project management lens, we can evaluate the suitability of Wise as a valid bank account based on specific project or individual needs. For freelancers and businesses with international clients, Wise can be an invaluable tool. The ability to receive payments in multiple currencies with local bank details streamlines invoicing and reduces conversion fees. The transparent pricing and efficient transfer capabilities align with project budget management and cash flow optimization. In this context, Wise functions effectively as a crucial component of their financial infrastructure. For individuals frequently sending or receiving money internationally, Wise offers significant cost savings and convenience compared to traditional bank transfers. The multi-currency account allows for holding and spending in different currencies without incurring excessive exchange rate markups. For international projects or personal financial management across borders, Wise provides a robust solution. For individuals seeking a primary account for all financial needs, Wise might fall short. The lack of lending products, interest on balances, and physical branch access could be limitations for those seeking a single financial institution for all their needs, including savings, borrowing, and day-to-day transactions. In this scenario, Wise might be better viewed as a complementary tool rather than a complete replacement for a traditional bank account. For projects requiring lending or complex financial instruments, Wise is not designed to handle complex financial instruments or provide lending facilities. Traditional banks would be necessary for projects requiring these services. Risk assessment. Considerations when using Wise. From a project risk management perspective, it's important to consider potential risks associated with using Wise as a primary financial tool. Regulatory changes. As a relatively newer type of financial service, the regulatory landscape for EMIs and money transmitters can evolve. Changes in regulations could potentially impact Wise's operations or the services it offers. Counterparty risk. While Wise safeguards customer funds, it's not typically covered by traditional deposit insurance schemes to the same extent as licensed banks. Understanding the specific protection mechanisms in place is crucial.